Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form interact. V2 past form interacted. V3 past participle interacted. V4 present par interacting. V5 SES interacts. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb interact? Answer. The base form of the verb interact is interact. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb interact? Answer. The past form of the verb interact is interacted. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb interact? Answer. The past participle of the verb interact is interacted. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb interact? Answer. The present participle of the verb interact is interacting. Question 5. What is the third person singular SES of the verb interact? Answer. The third person singular SES of the verb interact is interacts.
Verb prompts. Example sentences.
V1 I like to interact with people from different cultures. V2 yesterday, I interacted with my colleagues at the meeting. V3 they have interacted with the new software for weeks now. V4 she is currently interacting with the customer on the phone. V5 he interacts with the computer every day to perform his tasks.
Subscribe my channel.